What if your morning coffee, weekly groceries, and monthly bills all gave you money back automatically? This is informational content and it's sponsored by Crypto.com. It shouldn't be taken as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies comes with risks like price volatility and market risk. Before you decide to trade cryptocurrencies, think about your risk tolerance. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get into it. Alright, so this is the Crypto.com landing page, guys. The link for this will be in the video description. Now, the program offers a structured way to combine your everyday spending with earning up to 6% cashback on your purchases. This is the section of their website that covers Level Up. Here you can see, guys, these are the subscriptions they offer. Plus, they've got Pro and they've got Private as well. Now, with Plus, you'll get zero trading fees up to $20,000, 4.5% per annum on cash, and 2% back on crypto. So the benefits actually increase as you go up the subscription tiers here. Now there's Pro as well, which is $29.99, and you get zero trading fees up to $50,000 a month, plus 5% per annum on cash. You get 3% back in crypto, and there are 0% foreign exchange fees here. And then this is the ultimate subscription they offer, all right? Private. Now, this one actually depends, so you can check it out yourself when you head over to their website. And I'd recommend you include that in your own research. Zero trading fees, unlimited trading volume, and 5% per annum on cash. You get 4% back in crypto and 0% foreign exchange fees. You get 8.5% CRO lockup rewards and an extra 1% per annum on earned income. You can go ahead and check that one out, of course. You'll want to check out this part of their website because it has all the information. Have a look at this, all right? You've got the Plus, the Pro, and the Private. And just like I mentioned earlier, guys, up to 6%. See? So for Plus, it's 2%, Pro is 3%, and then Private's 4 to 6%. Now, this immediate distribution model, guys, reflects a shift towards real-time value recognition, and it lets users see tangible results from their transactions without any delay, all right? Say, instead of traditional points or delayed cashback systems, this framework focuses on direct ownership of digital reward. At the heart of this, guys, the platform reimagines daily spending as part of a bigger financial strategy. Everyday purchases, from groceries to online subscriptions, are actually seen as chances to build up value bit by bit over time. So as you can see, there's a disclaimer here as well. Of course, you need to factor that into your own research. There's more info about this on their website, and I definitely recommend you check it out, of course. So here, guys, beyond just the financial perks, the program also brings in lifestyle benefits. Not just your usual trading, not just the standard derivatives, spot trading, copy trades and all that. You get rebates on popular streaming services like Netflix and Spotify, which helps cut down on ongoing costs and basically offsets your subscription fees. So for those who travel, free airport lounge access adds an extra level of comfort. And those are the sorts of things you're usually paying for, right? You want to make sure you're looked after because you've subscribed or you're a member or something, yeah? And that's exactly what Crypto.com is adding to their value, right? So getting started is also meant to be really, really simple. A free 30-day trial also lets users check out the features with no strings attached, which gives you a risk-free way to get to know the ecosystem. Now, if you decide to keep going, the subscription starts at $4.99, just like I showed you. So here you go, $4.99 a month. Now, this mix of excessive practical rewards and lifestyle perks makes the program a well-rounded tool for modern financial engagement. And of course, guys, these are things I'd really recommend you have a look at, because Crypto.com is a top centralized exchange. It's a really, really well-known exchange, and they've got a reputation for being excellent. So, take your wallet up a notch and let your everyday spending pay you back. Start your free Level Up trial today and see how much you could earn. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll think about hitting like and subscribe. Hit that bell as well. That way, you'll always get a heads up when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll catch you in the mech front. I'm Af. Peace.